Bark is a parental control and monitoring service that uses AI to scan children's texts, emails, social media, and devices for signs of bullying, self-harm, predators, and other risks. It works across iOS, Android, Chromebooks, and more, flagging issues without giving you full access to everything, just the important alerts. You can also manage screen time, block websites and apps, and track location. Bark Home adds in home filtering across Wi-Fi devices, and there are specialized mobile-only plans like Bark Junior, which is $5 a month, and Bark Premium, which is $14, that include deeper monitoring. Hardware like the Bark phone and watch offer built-in controls too. TechRadar ranks Bark among the best tools for customization, highlighting its AI-based alerts. Real user feedback, I've owned the Bark phone, met with one logistical challenge after another, virtually no instructions, it does not work consistently on Apple, and so on and so forth. The pros include smart AI filters that detect serious issues, comprehensive features like screen time, web app blocking, alerts, and hardware support, and a strong customization and intuitive dashboard. Cons: iOS support is limited and setup can be difficult. Customer support often lacks phone help and can be unhelpful. Occasional false alerts, privacy concerns, and reported security flaws. So Bark is a powerful tool if you value AI-driven alerts and want a platform that encourages open dialogue rather than hiding everything. It's great for spotting red flags, if you're okay with occasional false positives and can wrestle through some setup friction. But if you expect seamless iOS support, rock-solid stability, hands-on support, you might want to explore alternatives like Custodio or NetNanny.